Want to know how to use Copilot in Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Microsoft 365 website and you should be right here. And now just simply towards m365.cloud.microsoft and you should be under the main interface right here. And now using Copilot is super simple. It should come by Copilot AI by default. So on the left side you should be seeing chat, search and much more. And now you can just simply chat to Copilot by selecting chat. On the bottom you should be seeing various options like notebooks, create and much more. You can just simply select that. So the main way you can use for free is by selecting create. So you can just simply select create an image right here or design a poster which should work under Copiloting. So you can just simply see all of these. And now you can just simply select more, select workbook, presentation, document and much more, and you can just simply create it just by adding a prompt right here. You can also see templates and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.